If your Google Sheet has the same data repeated again and again, this can cause big problems in your calculations and reports. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to remove all duplicate rows in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet and select all your data. You can press Ctrl and A to select everything. Now go to the top menu and click Data. From the list, choose Remove Duplicates. A small window will appear. Make sure all columns are checked so Google compares the entire row. Now click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will automatically scan your file and delete every repeated row. You'll see a message showing how many duplicates were found and removed, and that's it. Your sheet is now clean, accurate, and ready to use. No formulas, no add-ons, no manual deleting, just one built-in tool. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more one-minute productivity fixes.